Hi, Kimberly. I'm gonna draw two shapes, okay? Do you know what this shape is? It starts with an S. Square.
Square.
Square. And this one? Have you ever seen this one before? Yeah? What do you notice that's different between these two?
Because this one has some lines.
It has more lines, right? And this one? Do you think this one just stays like that? Like flat, right? And this one? You can touch it, right? Because it's three-dimensional. Have you ever heard of the word face?
Face.
Yeah, in shapes? No? Okay. I'm going to show you faces. A 3D shape, this is a 3D shape. It's called a cube. And 3D shapes have several faces. Like if you can see, this is one face. Can you color another face? You can color it. Good. So those are faces. And then there's also something in 3D shapes called vertices or a vertex. And a vertex is a corner. It's what connects two faces. So you see this is a vertex. Can you show me another vertex? This is the one that I drew. Good, so those are the vertices. And now the last thing that we're going to talk about is called an edge. Edges also connect two faces. And they also, they connect two faces. So this is an edge. Can you show me another edge? Good. So what was this one called? Square. And do you remember this one? I just mentioned it once, so maybe you don't remember. But it's a cube. Yeah, so this is a cube and a square. I'm going to show you a video, okay? It has several shapes, and it's just a fun little song, so you can see what they look like.
Are all examples of a 3D shape that people shapes that I know. A sphere, a cylinder, a cube, and a cone. A paperweight, Egyptian pyramids, and some text would be examples of a pyramid, as you can plainly see. Here are the 3D shapes that I know. A sphere, a cylinder, a cube, and a cone.
Guess I love to know.
Oh, your teacher showed it to you? Okay, now we're going to look at some 3D shapes. And we're going to try to see what makes them different. So, do you remember what this one was called? Or what else does it look like? Something you might play with.
A ball.
It's like a ball, and it's called a sphere. And this one? It started with a C. A cube. Yeah, this one is a cube. And what do you see different between the sphere and the cube?
Because the sphere doesn't have faces.
Yeah, the sphere doesn't have faces. Does this one have faces? Yes. Can we count the faces?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. So this one has 6 faces, and we said this one has how many?
0.
0 faces. What else? What does this have that the sphere doesn't have? It was called a vertex. A vertex. Does this have any vertices or a vertex?
It doesn't have it.
It has 0, right? This one has something else that the sphere doesn't have. We already said vertices, faces. What is this? Are you thinking of an edge? Yeah? Yeah, this is an edge. Remember that it connects 2 faces. So let's count the edges here. Can you help me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah. And you forgot these. It has a lot, right? A lot of edges?
9, 10, 11, 12.
Yeah. Okay. And did this one have any edges?
No.
No, no edges. Do you know what this is?
Cylinder?
A cylinder, yes. Have you ever seen one before? Does this look like something else that you might have seen? No? Do these kind of look alike?
Yes, but this is...
Which one is skinnier? Yeah, but you see they look a little bit the same. It has like a round body, and then it has two what?
Two faces.
It has 2 faces, good. And what did we say this was called? This is a sphere, and this one? Is it a cylinder? Yeah, this is a cylinder. Do you know what this is?
Cone.
A cone, yes. Does this have any faces?
One over here.
Yeah, good job. 1 face. Does it have a vertex? 1, good job. Does it have any edges?
No.
No edges? Does this one have any edges?
Yes.
Can you show me? Yeah, this one has one edge. Yeah. Isn't this? Yeah, you're right. This is another edge. But wait a minute. Isn't this kind of like this? So is this an edge? Good, yeah. So the cone has one vertex and one edge. Good, and one face. Which one has more faces? Good. Which one has more edges? Good. What is this one?
The sphere.
Uh-oh. This is the sphere. What is this one? Does it start with cylinder, yes. So can you make a sentence? The cylinder has
The cylinder has more.
You can talk about the edges or the faces.
More faces than the cone.
Good. Can we now talk about these two? Which one has more faces? Can you make a sentence? What was the name of this? Are you thinking of a cube? Yes. Is this a cube? So the cube has
more faces than
Are you thinking of a cylinder? Yes. So the cube has more faces than the cylinder. Good job. Now we're going to look at some pictures, okay? What does this look like? You can connect them. You can connect the shapes with the picture. So what are these?
sphere.
A sphere, good. So there we have our spheres. And that one?
And that one goes with the cone.
Good, it's a cone.
This one goes with.
Do you remember the name? It's a cylinder.
Cylinder.
And this one?
Goes with the cube.
Good. So what are these shapes called? All of them together are, is it 2D or 3D shapes?
3D.
3D shapes, good. So now I'm going to take out some things that you've probably already seen. What is this?
A cone.
What do you use this for?
For
What do you eat it
Ice
with?
cream.
Ice cream. Do you like ice cream? So can you connect this one? Can you put it next to the 3D shape? Good. Do they both have one vertex? Good. Do they both have one face? They're the same, right? Except this is something that we see in real life, right? What about this one? This one is similar to which one? Good. Do you remember the name?
sphere.
This is a sphere.
Cylinder.
Good. Which one is a cylinder? Good. Yeah. You see how do they have the same things? Look. Two. What were these called? The flat ones.
What face?
Good. They both have a face. What does that one look like?
This.
Does this one have a face?
No.
And that one?
Mm.
Look, that's why it's sad, because it doesn't have a face. Does it have an edge? No, no edges. Good job. And this one? What does that look like? Oh, I don't think I should. Do you think that looks like this one or like this one? Good. I forgot to mention this one, but which one is a cube? This one or this one? This one is a cube. This one is actually called a rectangular prism. Because if you just look at one side, what does it look like?
Like a prism?
Like a rectangle, right? So it's called a rectangular prism. Can you say that name?
Rectangular prism.
What's different between this one and this one?
Because it's more sharp.
Does this look like this? Are they the same size?
No.
No. What about this one? Does this look like this? Are they the same?
Yes.
Are these the same? Yeah, everything about a cube is the same, right? So that's what makes a cube so special. But this one is a rectangle, and this one is a different size. So that's what makes this a rectangular prism, right? Okay, so now that we looked at that, so what was this?
A sphere.
Good, a sphere. And this?
A cone.
A cone, good. And this one?
Rectangular prism.
Good, rectangular prism. The last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do this worksheet. Do you have scissors? Wait, I have some. Oh, found it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut these pictures and you're gonna put them next to the 3D shape that it looks like. So like for this one, this is
A cone.
an ice cream cone. So where would that go here? Yeah, good. So you're gonna cut them and then glue them there. You can get started.
Can I cut it?
Yes. So around your house, do you see any shapes that might look 3D?
The little red thing.
The candle? This one? What What does it look like? Like this? Good. What is the name of this? This is the sphere. So this is the it's a cylinder, right? Good. So what is this?
A cube.
Good, a cube. What is that one?
A sphere?
Good, a sphere. Does it have any faces?
No.
No. What is something else you see around your house that looks like a 3D shape? Oh, the TV? The TV looks like, what is this? Rectangular prism, a rectangular prism. Good job. You want to say bye to the camera? Say hi to my teacher? No? Say bye.